I'm here with the Rolling Square InCharge XL cable and I love this brand. I mean, look at the packaging, it's all cardboard and environmentally friendly. And now let's open that up. So I got the one with the silicone case here because I think that is quite handy, and because it also has this magnetic cable holder, which is pretty cool. So you can clip this on anything, and then in there sits the cable neatly. This is tightly packaged with a cool color, so you can get this in different colors and with or without the silicone case, but I really like this color. You get the little Velcro band here so you can keep everything together. You have the tip here which you can take off, and then here are the cables. Now everything with Rolling Square is put together really nicely. So you have the magnetic enclosures here of the cables, which works pretty well. That snaps into place, so you can easily put that cap back on and take that with you. It's quite a long cable. It's XL, of course, so you have the option of really extending this quite a bit. And then you have the Rolling Square system where you can take off these tips and have all of the different cables that you'd ever need. So this is USB to USB-C, and on the other side you have the Apple here and also USB-C. So you can do USB-C to USB-C or USB to USB-C or USB to Apple or USB-C to Apple. So these are all the things that you could need. The only thing you don't have is USB to USB, but almost no device uses that anymore. So this is pretty cool. And then with the bundle you also get this cool clip, which you can tape to your desk, for example. So that can stay secure there, and then it also has a magnet so you can put your cable in there. So that's neatly tucked away. So I do recommend to get the set with the silicone case and the strap here, so you have a little bit more flexibility. But either way, this XL cable, it's really long and it's very easy to use, and it's just a premium product. From everything to the snapping system to the magnets here to close them together and the little cap. So I really recommend.